reception class, and welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. For today's lesson, you will need a pencil, a piece of paper, and the sheets that you can see on the screen now. So if you just want to pause me and get those things ready, please. Right, we're going to start by warming our brains up for maths by quickly going through some numbers. So when you see the number on the screen, say what it is. Number 4. Then we've got 0. Number 8. Number 6. Number 9. Number 2. See if you can try and say it before I do. Number 7. Number 5. Number 13. 15. 14. Did you beat me that time? 11. 3. 10. 1. And number 12. Well done, reception. Right, for our maths starter today, we are going to be finding one more, just like we were yesterday, the numbers up to 15. So I'm going to say one more question. You can write down your answer on your piece of paper for me, please. Just like yesterday, you might, if it's a number up to 9, be able to use your fingers to work out the answer. You might just know the answer already in your head, so you can just write it down. Or if you're not sure, you can work it out by doing circles to help you. Right, first question. Can you find one more than 11 for me, please? So pause me and work that out. Right, do work out one more than 11. I'm going to do circles. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then I'm finding one more, so I need to add on 1 and count how many altogether, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One more than 11 is 12. Next, can you find one more than 13 for me, please? So pause me and work that out. One more than 13. I'm going to do circles to help me. So I need 13 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm finding one more, so I add 1 on, then count how many altogether, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, which looks like this. Well done if you got that right. Next, can you find for me one more than 8? Pause me, find one more than 8, please. To find one more than 8, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circles. Add on one more, count how many altogether, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more than 8 is 9. Next, we're going big. Can you find one more than 14 for me, please? Pause me and work that out. One more than 14. To find one more than 14, I'm drawing 14 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, find one more, add on 1. Altogether, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One more than 14 is 15. Well done if you got that, reception. Right, yesterday, reception class, we started to learn about doubling, and you did really well with it yesterday. And today, you are going to help me work out the answer. The first number we are going to double is 2. We're going to work out what is double 2. Remember, when you double a number, you add the same number to it again. So what I'd like you to do is draw 2 circles, just like the 2 circles you can see on the screen. Then double them. So I want you to double them, double 2 by doing 2 more. Then count how many altogether and write down your answer. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, we're doubling it, so I want you to draw 2 more, then count how many you have altogether and write down the answer. Right, and let's work it out together. So we were doing 2, so I had 1, 2 circles. We were doubling 2, so that means we needed to do 1, 2 more. Then count how many altogether, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So double 2 is 4. Let's see if we got that right. And we did. Double 2 equals 4. Well done, reception class. Right, next up, we're going to double 4. Okay, so on the screen you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Can you draw 4 triangles for me now, please? I'm going to do that with you. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to double 4. So when we double a number, we add the same number again. So can you add 4 more? So we've got 4, draw 4 more now, please. And I'm going to do that now. So I have got 4. I'm going to double it. I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Now you need to count how many you have all together and write down your answer. So all together we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's see if we got that right. Double 4 equals 8. Well done, reception class. Next up, reception, we're going to double 5. Okay, so what I want you to do to start is draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. So pause me and do that now. You need 5 circles. Then we're going to double it. So I want you to do 5 more for me. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're doubling it, which means we need 5 more. So pause me, do 5 more circles. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've doubled it. So I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Next, you need to add how many you've got all together and write the number down. So add how many you have got all together and write the answer down. And then we'll see if we've got it right. So all together, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's see. Double 5 equals 10. So we've got that right. Well done, reception class. Right, we're going to do one more. Right, next we're going to double 3. So you need to draw 3 circles for me. 1, 2, 3. So pause me and do that now, please. Right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, but we need to double 3. So we need to add the same number again. So we need 3 more circles. So pause me and draw 3 more for me because we are doubling 3. So I had 1, 2, 3. I'm doubling, I'm drawing 1, 2, 3 more. Next step, add how many you've got all together and write down your answer. So pause me and do that now, please. Right, all together I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think double 3 is 6. Let's see if I am right. Yeah, double 3 makes 6. Right, next up, reception, you have got a little challenge to do. So there is this sheet where you're going to draw pictures to work out the answer to each double question. So your first one is double 1. So you've got 1 cat on this side. You need to double 1, so you're drawing another cat on this side, then counting how many altogether and writing the answer. Then next, double 2. So you've got 2 dinosaurs. We're going to double the dinosaurs, so draw 1, 2 more, and add how many altogether. So you've got those questions to do. And then reception, I know some of you flew through those doubling questions yesterday. So if you do want a bit of an extra challenge, then you can play a doubling game using a dice. So you just need a dice like this. You roll the dice. And then you double whichever number your dice lands on. So my dice is landed on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my job is to double 5. And I'm going to do this on my whiteboard. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles, double them because I am doubling 5. draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more and work out my answer, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So double 5 makes 10. So if you want to do that reception, you can keep playing that game. Roll the dice, whatever number you get, double it, work it out and write down your answer. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's maths lesson reception class. Bye!